Pipka will be the keynote speaker at a free immersive experience called Know Him, St. Nicholas the Gift Giver and the Gift of the Eucharist. St. Nicholas, his love for children and gift giving in the spirit of Christ transformed a man into a legend known by many names. Santa Claus, Sinterklaas, Christkindl, Papa Noel, and Baba Natale are the inspiration behind the next Diocese of Greensburg experiential event. Bishop Kulik hopes displaying Pipka's artwork will inspire the next generation of Christ's disciples to know and admire St. Nicholas.
There was something that almost automatically drew me to the creativity and the stylization and the rich use of symbols that she puts into the creation and the execution of each of her figures. Pipka released some that had some very strong representations of St. Nicholas, like the Sinterklaas, the Christ kind, and they actually had Christ in it, like the image of the Christmas Eve Santa. And so I started to collect some of those that were more religious. But then as I did that, I sort of also started to appreciate some of her ethnic related Santas. We have a wide variety that represent a lot of the different ethnic traditions, particularly of Europe. And so you can see behind me so many of them that represent Italy, that represent the Scandinavian countries, Germany, Austria, Poland, Hungary, Russia, the Ukraine, and on and on. She was actually born in Slovakia, and her father was a doctor. And during the war, they had to immigrate to the United States. And it was through the Catholic Church that her family as refugees were settled here in the United States. And she talks very fondly about that welcoming to this new world. And so she brought with her an old world tradition.
My art is doing St. Nicholas figures or gift bringers that represent different countries of the world. Every country has a gift bringer, and every country imbues him with their own culture and their own clothing and their own customs. So it's very different, and it's really fun to explore the customs and then interpret that into my art.
At the Know Him event, you can learn how Pipka creates her St. Nicholas-inspired collectibles, experience the cultural versions of Santa Claus, and enjoy the theology behind some of your favorite carols. Cookies and vendors inside St. Nick's workshop are also a part of this immersive experience. Seating is limited for these free events on Friday, December 15th at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. at Christ Our Shepherd Center, 2900 Seminary Drive in Greensburg. Visit dioceseofgreensburg.org/Eucharistic Revival to register.